Panicking because you've locked yourself out of your home or car? There's no doubt that being locked out of your home or car is a stressful and worrying experience. In situations like this, you need to rely on a locksmith's help. Why? Because they can provide you the help any time of the day. Here's what you have to do to get lightning-fast help from a locksmith near you, right now. Step 1. Call your locksmith now. Step 2. Discuss your needs. Step 3. Locksmith is ready to come to your location within a few minutes. It's that easy. To get in touch with the best local 24-hour keymaker near your area,